That sounds like an EX CONRAIL. Oh yeah! It's an AMD! Oh yes! EX CONRAIL! SD60M! With the NS V14! Man, listen to that Conrail horn! 6789! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Woo! SD60M and EX44DC 7712. With the NS V14. This train is proceeding to the Commonwealth Railway. He's got triple stacks, he's got double stacks, he's got just about everything. Just want to give you a little glimpse of this train. And I think that's going to do it here. As he will proceed to the Commonwealth, he will stop there for the night. So anyway, there you have it.